Hello and welcome to NSI. In today's video, I will be demonstrating 3 different applications using PolyPaste. I've decided to use the Clear Almond Tech Tips and Polybond adhesive for my extension edge. After completion of natural nail prep, size and adhere and blend in your tips. Using a cotton wipe saturated with Nail Pure Plus, clean and dehydrate your natural nails. To the natural nail only, apply Essential Bond Enhancer. This helps to level the pH in our nail plates. Apply Essential Bond to the natural nail. Essential Bond is an acid-free primer. Apply Essential Base Coat to the natural nail and extension edge and cure for 30 seconds. This acts as your adhesion layer. Pour some cleanse into a dappen dish. You will need this to keep your brush moist while working with the PolyPaste. Using the spatula side of your brush, squeeze a small amount of PolyPaste out. Transfer it to the middle of your nail plate. With our brush moist with cleanse, start to press the product into the sidewalls and into the cuticle line. Continue to gently pull forward until the entire nail plate has been covered. Cure for 60 seconds. Remove another small bead for our apex. Continue to press thin and pull forward, keeping the majority of the product in the center. This will complete our full coverage nail. Cure for 60 seconds. Let's move on to our reverse French application. Take your product and place it on the nail plate. Press it nice and thin into the cuticle and into the sidewall and continue to pull forward. Notice how I keep re-dipping my brush into the cleanse. You want to keep it nice and moist. Cure this for 60 seconds. Using a 180 grit file, refine file your smile line. Make it nice and crisp. Remove a small bead of soft white and place it on the extension edge. With your brush that's moist, press it and spread it across the free edge. If you need a little more, just add. Once completed, cure for 60 seconds. Let's do another reverse French, but let's have a little more fun. With this nail, we're going to be using 3 different colors. My first color is going to be at the cuticle line and sidewalls. Press it out and stop where I want my smile line to be. Once I'm happy, cure it for 60 seconds. With my 180 grit file, refine file that first smile line. I'm going to use a slightly darker pink to create my second smile line. Make sure your brush is moist with cleanse and start to move your PolyPaste into shape. If you've picked up too much, don't worry. Use your spatula end to scrape off what you don't need. Continue to press and shape your second smile line. Cure for 60 seconds. Use your 180 grit file to refine the smile line. Go back to soft white and finish off the extension edge. Cure for a full 60 seconds. Let's do some fast shaping to the nails. PolyPaste files very quickly, so be sure to constantly be checking your work. Don't overfile. I'm going to use Essential Base Coat over the entire nails again. I want to add some art. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to use Tech Gel Color to incorporate a few line designs. When you're happy with your design, cure for a full 60 seconds. Finish your enhancements with NSI's top coat of choice. I'm using Essential Seal. Cure for 30 seconds. Hydrate those cuticles using Nurture Oil.